That's where we wanted to come. You can probably see where we are. Just right up there. And that's the queue. अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि सभी खैरियत से हैं। आज मेरा जो है वो शॉपिंग करने का मूड है थोड़ा सा, और भी थोड़ी व्लॉगिंग भी हो जाएगी इसी बहाने, आप लोगों से हेलो हाय हो जाएगी। तो ऐसा करते हैं कि बाहर निकलते हम जाते हैं जहाँ पे हमें जाना है। We wanted to come. You can probably see where we are, just right up there, and that's the queue we're gonna get in and make.
Are you okay?
I was just picking the order.
Perfect. Are you alright to just go through there?
All right, cheers, thank you. Long queue when you even go inside, there's still long queue. You see it.
So we've got. So would I be okay to ask you
Kamran?
back?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
15 Pro woven case, yeah? Perfect. Let me take you straight in. It's just
Fantastic, thank you.
Where are you?
Fantastic. Thank you very much. All right, thanks for your help. Do you want to go? That's a nice case, isn't it? Be on this side. Could be this one. Okay everyone, so here it is. I'm home now and I picked it from the Apple store and drove back home, and here the iPhone 15 Pro. So last time I bought iPhone 14 Pro Max, it was too big for me, to be fair. Not for these hands. My hands are not too big, and that's why I decided this year I'm gonna go with just the Pro model, not the Max one. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it. Sticking. Okay, so I'm supposed to be opening it from the both side. Yeah, so from this side as well. Here it comes. So the one I order is the titanium blue Pro Max. So I'm just gonna peel it off. Definitely lighter than the previous one. If I just show you my old, yes, so this one is the 14 Pro Max. It's quite big. fact, I'll take the case off. Right, okay, so I have transferred the data now. To mention that I also bought the case for the phone as well, so it's the fine woven case MagSafe. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it quickly.